So today we're finally going to get the air compressor put in. Already got everything put together. Didn't show any of that because Chloe Kuo did a much better video than I could do on how to do it. She gives step-by-step instructions. But right now we are taking out the seat. Connected the battery first. Oh, did you disconnect it again? Okay.
Which one's it going?
Okay, so everything is wired up and we're getting ready to test it. The mount is not bolted in yet. We're gonna take care of that after we get all this. Here we go. All nice and clean installed. And just, oh. There you go. And with the quick disconnect, just push in, pull out, ready to go, covered. Perfect.